4 sessions today. The first one involved children and hydration in children. And I think that session spoke to the audience greatly.
We know from our Lincoln 7 database that 60% of the children do not meet the EFSA adequate intake for water from fluid. Those children who do not drink very much, they might become adults who do not drink very much, and we know that this has potential consequences on their future health, such as kidney health or metabolic health.
The second session involved 10 years of the history of hydration science as we've known it here, but also around the world. So those presentations looked all the way back to ancient Greece, through the 1700s, 1800s, in a variety of countries to bring us today.
It's amazing to think from where we've come and how far we've gone, and the breadth and the depth of topics that are presented from year to year just keeps getting better.
A third session looked at climate change, and that was very unique. As far as I remember, we've not ever discussed that.
My presentation today was about sustainable and healthy diets in a world with climate change. It's my first time in this conference, and what it was interesting and to see was the opportunity for collaboration with different groups of research.
And finally, there was a session on safe drinking water. Both of these papers were presented regarding South America, but there were other sites even in Africa.
It's a great conference. It's a multidisciplinary conference. We have different specialties that converge at the same time, and we hear different aspects of hydration.
The Young Researcher event was the most exciting part of the conference. The audience loves this because the audience selects the winner. I simply have to say that everyone in the audience was impressed with the quality this year. It is by far the best quality we've seen in all the years I've been here. And finally, I'm really glad that I did not have to do that.
Pitching my science for the Young Researcher Award is a really amazing opportunity. It's such an interesting conference because it's the only conference in the world that's specific to hydration science and hydration research, and being with the world's leading experts in hydration and being able to stand up and pitch the work that I've done is such an incredible opportunity.
That of all the conferences I go to during the course of a year, this is the only one that focuses solely on water. People come together and for one full day focus on water.
So this is the best venue. We are, gathering here, discussing hydration for health from different angle or different perspective of our own expertise.
The Hydration for Health conference is unique because you can feel that all the people in the room are passionate about water.
The passion of everyone that's here, from the organisers to the promoters of the conference, to the researchers, to the educators, to all the participants.
But it's work in progress. There's so much more to investigate and to prove and demonstrate, and I think there's a good 10 years, maybe more, for this conference to continue to build at the same speed as it has done so far.